A wise man once said, "You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams." And that's how I feel now. And that was from Dr. Seuss.
You are everything I've ever wanted in a man and so much more. I love you so much, and nothing makes me happier than to stand here today and become your wife.
Only once in your life you meet someone who completely turns your world around. Life seems different, exciting, and worthwhile. You tell them things that you've never shared with another, and they absorb everything you say and want to hear more.
Hi.
Who's there?
You think of this person on every occasion and in everything that you do.
You're beautiful.
You open your heart to experience a love and joy that you never dreamt possible.
Cathedrals in midair, 1, 2 ships to cross paths, 7 lifetimes we meet at last.
I vow to always be by your side in sickness and in health till death do us part. I vow to always be understanding and caring with all of life's obstacles that come our way. I promise to give you all respect, loyalty, and honesty in every way possible.
Sweet darling, I'll follow the shore and the key. Oh, I will find you if only love.
I promise to have the patience that love demands, to speak when words are needed, and to share in the silence when they are not.
I promise to love and support you through all the good times and bad, to always put you and our family above everything else, and to be open and honest with you no matter how hard it may be. I love you, Austin, forever and always.
Marriage is a commitment to life, joining two people who complement, encourage, and grow together. Today's celebration is an outward sign of an inward union of the heart.
With this ring, I promise to give to you
The truth and faithfulness of my life and marriage.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you husband and wife. May you kiss your lovely bride.